Today, we will going to discuss the role of information technology. We have the role of information technology in daily life, in agriculture, and communication, and media industry, and today's education. Role of information technology in daily life. Whether we are aware of it or not, we are surrounded by networks, which information flows constantly. Our time and status are changing. The globe become a global village, wherein distance between one another is no longer the barriers to everyone to have social contacts. Next is the role of information technology in agriculture. It is a potential tool in improving decision-making in agriculture, can improve farm management and farming technologies as efficient. Whispered use of information technology gives a direct contribution to agriculture productivity. Example of this is satellite technology, geographic information system using the techniques of agronomy and soil science is to increase agricultural production. Farmers needs information latest varieties, changing weather patterns, crop production technology, and improve agronomic practices for them to produce. It also plays vital roles in ensuring the farmers get access to this information regardless of their agroecological location. Next is the role of information technology in communication. Communication methods have evolved over the years from simple text messages and radio calls to more effective video calls and chat channels offering additional communication services. Through information technology, the delivery of messages and information has become easier, cheaper, and faster, and not even hassle. Role of information technology in media industry. Media industry is also growing very fast. Advertising production, printing, broadcasting, telecast, and in web edition of newspapers had a great progress too. It is because of this innovation that a marvelous achievement had been made in media industry, and without information technology, the survival of media is impossible. Next is role of information technology in today's education. It became a major tool for effective teaching as well as a learning tool. Teachers can use it as a teaching tool by posting their teaching materials. Example of this is notes, videos on school website or forum. In that cases, the internet has allowed students to be constant touch with their teachers or with other fellow classmates with the help of social media, messaging apps, and chat forums. Teachers also can make use of the internet by providing the students with extra study materials and resources such as interactive lessons, such as periodical exams, quizzes, and informative announcement related to your topics.